Okay guys, it's been a while since I made a video, but I have been working on some crafts that that I'm making up to resell somewhere. It's garden time and, planting seeds and just getting the garden ready, and I run in there real fast and do just a little bit, and then it takes me an hour to figure out where I was on the video, so I have to go watch the video over again and look around and see what I was working on and start on it again. But anyways, it's been a while, but I'm gonna get a craft video uh, out as soon as I can. But I did go into the thrift store, and I have a small haul that I wanted to show you. The day I went in, all the kitchenware and glassware and stuff like that was 75% off. And I could have grabbed a lot, but I have to be careful because even though it's cheap, I don't need it unless I can resell it or, make it over or use it somewhere that I know where I want it in my home. First thing I got was this little crock. And it was 50 cents, but 75% off. And I thought that was really cute. That'd look cute. Then I put the plant in it or anything on a riser. And I got these salt and pepper shakers. I think they were 50 cents a piece. And you can get these at Dollar Tree for $1.25. But I got 75% off, so it was worth it. I like to paint these and put, like salt and pepper on them. I can fix them up. Well, I have a set right here that I done for me. Let me grab those. See, on one side I have the chickens, and then on the other side I had salt and pepper. But I thought it would look really cute if I made the chicken just a little bit bigger and put an S and a P here. I thought that would be cute. Instead of having it turned where you have to turn two different ways, have the S and the P in the middle of the chicken. Anyways, that's why I picked up these, and they were way cheaper than getting them at Dollar Tree. And besides, I looked at Dollar Tree one day, and theirs has the ridges now. They're not smooth like this, and I don't want the ones with ridges if I'm going to paint them and put something on them. And then I saw this real pretty bottle. It's kind of a amber, or kind of has a purple cast to it too, and it has, I'm sure it's a reproduction. It has the bubbles in it, and it was $2, but it was 75% off. That looks so cute. Wonder if I can let me raise this up just a little bit. I'm having to, there, I think that's better. I'll show it to you a little better like that. And the next one I got was an amber bottle, and I'm sure well, I don't know anything they put in bottles now. Well, they might at the pharmacy. But it was 50 cents, was 70% off, and I love amber bottles. Couldn't pass that up. Then I got this cheese crock. I thought it was cute. Let's see, where's the tag on it? $1, 70% off. I even had the little lid to it. And then I got these inkjet transfer. Let me show you. They were 50 cents, well, no, these weren't 70% off. Now, this wasn't, right. That was still 50 cents. But I can use these on my Cameo to make stencils with. They're clear. And I like to make my own stencils because you can take any pattern and turn it into a stencil. And I got those for 50 cents. And then these I've already washed. These were, can't remember, I think they had $1 a piece on them, which you can buy them at the Dollar Tree for $1.25 now. But with 75% off, I took them because I have a certain someone that's probably ready for a dressed up wine glass. I'll bet you. I bet she's already broke hers. And I glitter it, or, you know, I do different things on them. So I like to keep those on hand in my craft room. So that was crafty. Let's see. Oh, and then there's one other thing, and this, my cousin, I think she was at a garage sale and she saw it and she thought of me and she got it for me. I have to show you this. I absolutely love it. Hang on. Get you up here. Okay, I live on a farm and I absolutely love this. It's big. I'll bet it's 2 foot radius at the least. But it's gonna get kind of a makeover because this I want to use it for all the time. I'm gonna hang it right outside my door, and that says Christmas on our farm. And I'm going to redo this, get on my Cameo and fix something on that. And we have these kind of trees anyway. I mean, they're all over. I might do something. I don't even know if people would really even notice the little Christmas bulbs on the tree, but I might do something with them. But anyway, isn't that just nice? She's so sweet. Picked that up, think of me, and picked that up for me because she knew I'd love it. And that looks like my rooster-roo. Looks just like him. Okay, we're gonna go back over, and now I'm gonna do a very small Dollar Tree haul. Okay, the first thing I picked up are these clay pots. I wish I had picked up more of them because I like to do these up when I take my risers in to sell. They always look cute on there, fixed up, painted, and different things. And I got the smaller one that has 3 in it and the one that has 2. And then I saw this. Everybody showed that, and I can't have too many of these because every time I turn around, I go to get a scraper, and I've lost it, and I can't find it. So I picked that one up. And then for my crafts for different things, I like to have these blank pieces of wood. In fact, I just used a piece the other day, split it down the middle, and I done some birdhouses on a tree limb. And I use these for the base. I cut it in half and use it for a base. I just like to have them handy when you need something. I got that. Oh, I missed something from the thrift store. All right, I picked this up. It is an Atlas jar, 50 cents with 75% off. I had 2 in my cart. And when I bought this, I had it actually in mind for canning. And when I got to the counter with both of them, I was running my finger to see if there was any nicks. And the other one had some little chips up here. And of course, you can't use that to can with, so I put it back. Now I wished I hadn't have, because this would have made a pretty jar to be chalk painted. And then this little area out right here that you could put something in. Oh, I really wished I hadn't put it back. It would have been hardly anything. I wasn't good for canning, but it was good to make money with. And I put it back, wasn't thinking. And then I also bought me some white tissue paper. I'm gonna try to do some, where you print it out in your printer and you use Mod Podge to put it on stuff. I have something I wanna try that on. So I'm gonna try my hand at that. And then this, I don't know why I picked it up, because I really don't like the bright shininess of it. I like the plant in it. And this is from Dollar Tree, and it was $5. It wasn't really that cheap. But I'll probably take it and put a little rust on it or something. And this is just to go in my kitchen, probably on top of my refrigerator. All right, I think that does it for my haul. It was short and sweet, and I like everything I got. I'm going to use it. So, and I'm going to get some more videos, some craft videos out to you. So until the next one, we'll see you later.